3, 2. Hey guys, we're back to another video, and today I know it's been a long time since I've been on mobile computer, and why am I acting so slow? So let's just yes. So who's more prettier? Do you think me or me or me or me, her or myself? Well, both of these are my account. We're going to jump at the same time. 3, 2, 1. See? But yeah, let's go building my new house. I'm about to show you whose house. Well, it's a town basically. So it's just loading. So let it load. Okay, taking forever. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, it's a town. It's a beautiful, beautiful town. Hold on. Let me see if oh my god, it's not working. Oh no, oh no, oh no. So yeah, I give credit to that girl. I forgot her YouTube channel because like, you know, I'm weird. Yeah. Because it's loading. But it's called Bloxburg City 24K. But since Bloxburg wanna be super stupid and not let me just give my money to my own person, it decided to only give me 100, and I got like 128 on the Castle_King one. Just let me give me the money, please. Okay, why is she trying to flex? But whatever, the Castle King is going. Bye. And now we just froze. I froze. See, she's gone. She left me. She left me. Look, see, I'm all alone. So let's get building. Bye.